Number 1 is arm in lateral position. Both arms at one side, either sideward, right or left. This may be done at shoulder, chest, or waist level.
Number 2, hapay. To flourish or after a handkerchief, hat, or glass of wine to somebody as a sign of invitation.
Number 3, hayon-hayon. To place one arm in front and other at the back of the waist. Number 4, brush. Weight in one foot, hit with the floor with a ball or heel.
Number 5, pivot. Dancer keep one foot in place on the floor, the, the pivot foot, while turning or rotating the body.
6, kumintang. Moving the hand from the wrist either in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction.
Number 7, point. Touch the floor light with toes of one foot while weight of body on other foot.
Salok. Swing the arm downward or upward, passing in front of the body. 9, sarok. Cross the left or right foot in front of the left or right behind the body slightly forward and cross the hand. 10, whirl. To make fast turn by executing small step in place to right or left.